Hi everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope you're having a great day. I have a Dior Beauty unboxing, so let's go ahead and get into it. See, this is packaging where they have the nice, container here. They have the nice ribbon. They package up everything really nice. And Dior is not charging for bags, but a lot of the other luxury designers are charging for bags now. So just keep that in mind if you're going to the store and getting any kind of beauty products, you may be charged for a bag. So, all right, let's go ahead and unwrap this baby and find out what I got. All right, let's see here. All right, what did I get? Okay. This is the new anniversary Dior bottle. They're celebrating their anniversary. So she gave me a couple of these. You're invited to Dior Beauty Live. And that's going to be September 5th through the 10th. So that's the information on Dior Live. All right, so that's an invitation for that. This is the new Dior anniversary perfume. They've updated it. That's what the lady said there. So, all right, let's see what else she gave me here. All right, she gave me some hand cream. So that's kind of cool. It's a little sample that I can try later. All right. This is the new Dior. And this is the name of the new perfume. Okay. And that's what the new bottle looks like. All right, so that's a sample there that she gave me. That was nice. Okay, have my receipt. All right, she gave me Savage. That's for men, so I'll give those to Ted. So that smells good. She gave me a couple of those. That was nice. All right, what else did she give me here? This is all in this little bag. All right, she gave me a couple of Miss Dior. They're not changing that. I asked her about that. And I found out a couple of little tips also. That's what the bottle looks like. Is if you buy Dior limited edition beauty products like those gift sets for holiday or anything like that, once they are gone, they're gone. And if you go back later on and you say you want you want a lip balm or you want eyeshadow that is in the kit, they don't make individual items. So it was funny because my husband Ted said, every time you go to Dior, you can't get what you want. Well, that's probably the reason. Or it's an older name or number and they don't have it. So just keep that in mind. All right, let's see what else I have here. All right, so she gave me a bigger sample of Savage. Okay, well that was really nice. Wow. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, that's a good size sample. Wow. Okay. All right. Well, he's doing pretty good on the samples. All right. Let's give him that over here. All right. Let's see what else we have here. Just digging out all the stuff here. Oh, she gave me an extra ribbon. Huh. All right, that's cool. That says Dior. All right, what else here? All right, this is another ribbon. This is with the new name. Okay, that's cool. What's this? I don't know what this is. Huh. Is this like a little bottle? I don't know. It doesn't have anything like in it. So I'm not sure what that is. If you guys know what it may be, let me know. Because I've never seen anything like that. All right, so we're emptied out. And let's see what this is here. Okay, I'm not sure what this is. These are samples, I guess. I'll have to research these. I don't know. I've never... Oh, this must be eye cream. She gave me some eye cream samples to try. All right, that was nice. And let's try and see what this one is. Yeah, I think this is some hand cream. So that's a little sample of that. So that was cool. All right, so that's my million sample. All right, and let's see what I actually bought. All right, so I bought some Dior Show waterproof eyeliner. And this is like in, this is twist. What did she say it was? It was twist. You just twist it. You don't, it's not like a crayon. So let's go ahead, and that's what this looks like. And this is like a bluish denim, but it's a little bit darker. So this is what this looks like. And basically you just twist and then the top comes. All right, so I'll leave all the information in the description so you know. All right, and then I got this Hands of Hope by Philosophy. Some hand cream. So I don't think, yeah, it doesn't really have like a heavy scent or anything, but Philosophy is very good. All right, and then I got the Dior Attack. This is as close as I could get to the apricot that I was trying to find that they don't have anymore. So, all right, this is as close as I could get. Let's see here. Yeah, so this is pretty good. And this is, see, it's kind of apricot-ish. So it has a little bit of a tint to it, but not a lot, but it's really nice. So yeah, I highly recommend that. So that's my Dior haul for today. I hope everybody's staying safe. And look at the new Dior Attack. They have Dior kind of like on it now. So that is new packaging. And that color is really pretty. All right, so I think I'm going to use that today. And the bag that I'm using is my vintage graffiti bag from 1988. And it's got Burberry Vera the hair as my bag trim. Let's see. Hi, everybody. Oh, she did kicking it. So yeah, that's Vera. And that's my 1988 graffiti bag. It's a tote bag and has hot pink fabric. So if you want to see what fits in this bag or anything like that, let me know and I'll be more than happy to show you. It's very big. So there you go. All right, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style. I hope everybody has a great day. Make sure you subscribe, which is free. Why not? And until next time, thanks again for watching. Bye now.